Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys why Dress to Impress is now way more popular than Royale High and why it's like declining, I guess. So Dress to Impress, I don't actually know if Royale High does this, but Dress to Impress collabs with a lot of like famous artists like Charlie XCX, and they have a lot of creators creating content for them. And even they collab with Queso. They also have a lot of celebrities playing this game as well. Some Valorant players, James Charles. I think Madison Beer has played this as well. Um, but since a lot of like influencers are playing their game, obviously a lot of people would be influenced to play this game. I was also like influenced by like a Valorant player because it looked so interesting. Now I have like VIP custom makeup and everything. I literally purchased everything. Like Dress to Impress, take my money. But besides that, Royal High had dolls. They released dolls. Well, Dress to Impress did too, but the difference is Dress to Impress released them and gave only code items for makeup, which isn't as important as items in my opinion. I know some people are still mad about it, but I think that it is important to know that it's not as important as items. So that's why um, Royal I can't pronounce that. Royale High is declining because they did release dolls, I think, with codes and items and stuff like that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.